Hello everyone, welcome to my shop. This is going to be a really quick video on how to swap out the amber marker lights on your R35 GT-R to the JDM clear marker lights. I'm also going to be taking the opportunity to swap this from an incandescent bulb to an LED bulb that I picked up from Diode Dynamics. This is really simple, it doesn't really require a lot of tools. The vehicle does not need to be in the air to do this. I just have it in the air to make it easier to film. All you need to be able to do is just turn your wheels to the left and right and you'll be able to get to it. So I'm going to reposition some stuff and I'll go through how to swap this out. To do this swap, as I said, it's super simple. All you need is either a small pick or a small flathead screwdriver. To release this, there is a metal tab that you can just see through the fender liner here. I'll bring the camera over in just a second. What you're going to do, you're going to reach your small screwdriver or your pick through, and you got to push inward on this tab as you pull out on the marker light. So I'm going to see if I can get this in, kind of show you. You can just see, maybe if I can get the light in there, you can just kind of see the tab sticking out right in there. So I said I'm going to reach in there with the pick. You can see it if you look, but you can also kind of feel around. You can pull the light out slightly as you do this. You got to push in. So I said, be careful as you're doing this. Make sure you're paying careful attention to your paint. At this point, I said it just slides right out. I'm going to go ahead and it rotates I don't know, 45 degrees or so down. That allows you to remove the lens. Because I'm changing the bulbs out, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect. There is a push tab on here. Push down, and you can remove the lamp assembly. Install is the reverse. These marker lights do come with an incandescent bulb. If you care about the incandescent bulb, make sure that you're using gloves or something to remove the bulb. I'm going to be installing some Diode Dynamics LED bulbs that I picked up. These should be amber, at least in the US, at least from a regulation standpoint. I'm sticking with that. So push them in. Process is the reverse. Actually, it is easier to go ahead and reconnect this on. Just push this together. It is also a very good idea to turn on your marker lights at this point and confirm that the bulb does light. That way you don't put everything back together. The other thing that you will want to do here, there is some dirt and dust that accumulates in there. I'm going to wipe this out and then I'm going to come back real quick and we'll reassemble. I've wiped out this area with a wet rag just to kind of make it, just to help clean it up, reduce the risk of scratching the paint. Assembly, reinstall, lock it in, make sure it's stuck. Slide the front end in, and then you simply push in until you hear the click. Pull out on it, give it a good little tug to make sure that everything works. Said double check that your lights work. And that's it. Said super simple swap. Same process if you just wanted to replace the LEDs. Just make sure you're being careful when you're pushing on that tab that you don't slip, scratch your paint. You got to be a little careful pushing on that tab if you are reusing. I've heard of people breaking those, but you got to really be pushing hard to do that. Other side, same thing, super simple. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel to see other things. This vehicle occasionally gets to the track as well as a couple other vehicles. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will leave the part number for both the Diode Dynamics LED bulbs as well as the left and right marker assemblies in the description of the video below. So once again, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.